Hi, today we are going to see the demo for food recipe Android application. First open the SAM control panel. Start MySQL and Apache. And then open the Visual Studio Code. Here you can see the login details and then URL links. Copy the localhost PHP admin and paste to the browser. Left side you can see the database tables. And then open the Android Studio. Here you can see the project delivery files. Click the JS. Here you can see the AngularJS files. And then you can see the HTML files. Here you can see the HTML source code. Now we can start the emulator. Open the device manager and click the launch button. It will be started. Our emulator has been already started. Here you can drag and drop the APK file. The project will be installed. If you want to run the project in web browser, you can using the link. Copy the project link and paste to the browser. If you want to see the project in emulator, you can using the drag and drop option. And then click the app. Here we have two roles, user and admin. Let's start with the admin. Enter the admin email ID and password. Login successfully. Here we have several models. Let's start the create grocery. Here you can enter all the fields for creating the groceries. Enter the grocery name, type, description, and then mobile number, landmark, address, pin code, and then status. Once you enter, click the submit button, it will be created. If you want to update the groceries, you can update here. Whatever has been created, you can see here. Click the update map. Here you can drag and drop the red bubble or update the location. Then click the update geo. It will capture the latitude and longitude of the Google map. Click the show map. Here you can see the updated location. If you want to update anything, you can do it here. And then click manage ingredients. Here you can manage the ingredients. If you want to create a new ingredients, you can do it here. Enter the ingredients name and then click the submit button, it will be created. And then click the manage category. Here you can add the categories. Enter the category name and then click the submit button, it will be created. and then click the create recommendation. Here you can create the recommendation. Here you can select the ingredients and then select the categories and then enter the recipe name, grocery items, description and then nutrition and then enter the video link. Once you do that, click the submit button, it will be created. And then click the update recommendation. Here you can update the recommendations. If you want to see the video, click the video link. It will be promoted to the YouTube. Here you can update anything, you can do it here. Here you can update the image. And then click the user details. Here you can see the user details. Then move to the user. Before you log in, you can register for user registration. Click the register now button. Here you can enter all the fields for user registration. Enter the name, email ID, then password, mobile number, then address, so enter all the fields, click the sign up button, it will be created. So the password must be in 8 digit. It will contain one capital letter, one special character and then numbers. Register successfully. Enter the email ID and password for login the user. Login successful. Here we have several models. Let's start the food recommendation. Here you can recommend the food. Here you can using the filter option. Select the ingredients and then select the category. Click the video link, it will promote you to the YouTube video. And then click search grocery. Here you can see the groceries. And then click the search show map. Here you can see the location. And then click create cookbook. Here you can post your recipes. Enter the recipe name, category or type, instruction, description and then enter the video link and then enter the ingredients. Once you do that, click the submit button, it will be posted. Whatever has been posted you can see here. Here you can search using the search options. Here you can see the rating. And then click the feedback. Here you can post your feedback. And then click update cookbook. If you want to update anything, you can do it here. Here you can upload the image, and then click the my profile. Here you can see the user details. If you want to update anything, you can do it here. So this is a food recipe Android application.